Hello guys, so in today's session we will learn about how we can use the stepper motor. So for learn this session you have to need some components like stepper motor driver, Arduino Uno, battery with the 18,000 milliampere and a programming cable with some jumper cable wires. Okay, so now first of all we will see how the stepper motor is work and what is the feature about the stepper motor. So we will going to the data sheet of the stepper motor. We will go. Here you can see that this is the stepper motor data sheet, and in the stepper motor data sheet you can see the talk about the stepper motor, how much voltage we can use, and what is the speed of the stepper motor. So speed of the stepper motor is very less, but the torque is so high. So we use the stepper motor very different application where we want to be a precise move or a very good torque like your AC's swinger, where we use the stepper motor. We use the stepper motor in the swing machines where the we want to be swing very precise manner. Okay, and after that we will see that the into the stepper motor. So stepper motor have four wires, orange, pink, yellow, and blue, and these are the energized coils. Actually, in the stepper motor, we have two energized coils, blue and yellow one, first energized coil, and second one is orange and pink. And also we have a four wire. So blue one is the first signal for giving the first signal, giving second signal and fourth signal, and yellow one is three signal. So we have a four wires and we're giving the signal to the each coil, and after that we energize it and we can move this stepper motor in the clockwise direction, also anti-clockwise direction. So here this is the first thing. After that we will see how we can doing the programming and how we can connect this stepper motor with uh, how we can connect this stepper motor with the motor driver. So what we will do, we will going to the our hardware connection. So so now we will going to the hardware connection. So in the hardware connection, you can see here we have the motor driver. Or in the motor driver, we have four inputs like first input, second input, third input, fourth input. So we will giving the four inputs to this stepper motor, and after that, what we will doing, we will connect these inputs directly to the Arduino Uno here. And after we connect this into the digital pin of the Arduino Uno from 4 to 7. So we connect only inputs with the over Arduino Uno. After that, we will also connect the power pins. So we will connect the positive one with the V in and the negative one with the ground pin. So we connect the negative one with the ground pin here. So here we connect the pin like that, and after that we will go into the our software mode where we will giving the signal to the each coil first. So for working of the stepper motor, we have three methods for rotating the stepper motor. Wave method, okay. Second one is the full load method. Third one is the half load method. So first of all, we will see the full load method. Sorry, wave method. So we will going to the Arduino Uno. So here you can see that this one, first of all you have to initialize each motor pin from 4 to 7. So motor pin first is equal to 4, second one is the fifth, and after that you have to initialize in the void setup. So pin mode, motor pin first and as the output. So every pin you have to connect as a in the void setup is the output mode, and after that we will go into the void loop. So in the void loop you can see that we will give the digital write, and each time we will giving. So this one is the full load method, and in the half load method you have to only give the one only you have to energize one coil. So each after one time, after some delay time, so we will give the delay is the 5 millisecond, and after some delay we will energize a motor each pins like first, second, third and fourth. So here you can see that we will energize our motor coil with the one by one, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And after that, what we will do, we will here we will doing the one mistake here, like we will give high this and low one this and high, and after that low, and after that we will copy it and paste it again. And here what we will do, we will high, low and low and high. So how we can do it? Okay, and after that what we will do, what you have to do is upload the code. And after that uploading the code, you have to connect after that uploading your code, you have to connect your Arduino Uno with the battery backup of the 18,000 milliampere to giving the proper voltage. Okay, so we will going to the hardware mode because we will upload the code. Now what we will do, so here we will connect this one. Okay, and you can see that your motor is going or sorry rotating in the clockwise. And after that you also can see that the your LED is blinking by one in the 5 millisecond. You can also increase the millisecond by 10 millisecond to variate your speed. Actually millisecond is directly you can calculate the speed of the motor. So here how we can rotate this motor by clockwise or anti-clockwise. You can rotate this motor in the anti-clockwise by connection, by opposite connection of the by one input 1 to input 4, by input 4 to input 1. So how you can you can rotate your stepper motor. In the full load method you can change your like configuration or energize system. Here in the full load you have to energize the two pins in a one time, like this one is like that, this one, and after that, so this one is your full load method. In the full load method, your programming is something different. And in the full load method, you energize two coil in each time. And in the half load method, you have to like first is the way first one. Okay, in the half load method, you have to first energize your coil by the wave method, and after that full load method. So how you can energize your coil one by one. So this is how you can use the stepper motor. I hope you understand all the concept and all the methods of the stepper motor. So we will meet in the next session. Thank you very much.